Hello, good morning everyone. Today is Wednesday, 2024, April 17. So today we'll be covered about 8 stocks. So let's starting with the disclaimer. All the stock picks mentioned in this video is serving as learning purposes. It's not serving buying or selling call to the viewers subscribe. So let's starting with the overnight US market. We can see the overnight US market is considering mixed and flats right over there. S&P dropped 0.2%, Nasdaq 0.1% dropping, and Dow Jones up by 0.1%. It's nothing much changes right over there, and over the globe is dropping for the past few days. It's dropping over the globes. So we can see how is the US market news. US stock future inch higher as red-driven rout eases. So currently, at current stage, the market overall is still eyeing on the war trigger over the last weekend. So we can have a look, keep more attention on the on that side, and we can have a look on something happen in the US. US dollar is still strong because the USD is considered as safe haven's currency. Rather than whenever there's something happen, and also same to the gold as well. So meaning that the war is now seems to be in tension. So USD is driven stronger. Regardless, the Federal Reserve is having an expectation to drop interest rate. Anyhow, the CPI is still rising to about 3.5%. So we may need to monitoring, see whether the inflations will be coming in by mid of this year. So currently it's already mid of April, so we can see for the next few months, see whether the inflations is coming in back. So let's have a look. So we are already checking on the USD index. We have a look on the gold oil index. $85, above $80, I would say consider pretty much high for the oil price at this moment. Okay, so 85 consider high price, is uptrending at this moment. It's a healthy consolidation, I would say, since the oil producers country is in war tension. So we may have a look, put attention to the crude oil as well. So if anything's happened, the oil price could driven above $90. No surprise right there. So back in 2023, it has tested $95 September 2023, and it also above $100 during the Russia-Ukraine wars. So it's pulling back, resting to $70 over there, then rebounding to 95, then drop back to 70. Then now it's in the middle of trading range within 70 to 95. This one you can draw some line over here. Maybe it's around 67. We can draw some line here, 67 to 95. Okay, so the oil price is now trading within this range, 67 to 95 range. So we need to keep tracking. If anything happen, if the war being more pressure to the over the world, I believe the crude oil price will be standing above $95. And we have look on the gold. So as I said, many people is treating the gold as a currency reserve for their what they call the wealth. So that's why many people is flowing to the gold. I would say it's around near to 2004 level an ounce. So this one it's not just it also happened in the Malaysia. I mean, many people is flowing into the investing into gold. So anyhow, you may be I would say, in fact, the gold doesn't contribute anything, doesn't contribute much, I would say, in my point of view. Let's have a look on the copper futures. Copper future is driven higher as well for the past 1 to 2 months times. It's driven higher, And we have a look on one more future, which is soybean. Soybean is still dropping, trending out, downtrending, and still dropping. So it's now in still below the major support level, which is maybe I put it around figure 12,000 level. It's now below the 12,000 level. I would say the inflation is not so serious at the current stage, but I would prefer to monitor for soybean as well. Okay, so let's come back to the Malaysia. Overnight Malaysia KLCI market is dropping 7 points, closing at 1535 level, drop by nearly 0.5%, I would say. So it's now trading within a range of 1530 to 1560, 30 point range. I would say still acceptable. I would say still acceptable. The trending is still uptrending. Anyhow, the last past few days I did mention that there's a rejection. There was a rejection right over there, rejection of the resistance. So the pullback is pretty much expectable. So we come back for the one more thing I want to mention, which is CRB index, which is one of the core commodity index being monitored by investment house. So CPI is continuously rising to 344 level. So 344, maybe I put in this one is weekly line chart. So daily line chart is somehow like this. The trending is very healthy uptrending. So I put it to weekly chart. So the weekly chart looks like this one. So it's now testing for the high back in June 2022. I mean nearly 2 years ago. It's going to testing for this level. So meaning that the inflations might be coming in anytime. Okay, so we have a look on CRB as well. So let's come back for the KLCI. Stock picks, maybe we can have a look on the stock picks by the research house. Today would be, first one will be CGS. The first pick will be Celcon. Celcon overnight closing at 285. There's a swing right over there, so you can see the trend changing pretty much look like this. The volume is coming in 5.4 million share traded overnight, and the stop loss level given is 245. Seems to be too large to me. Seems to be too large to me. If you want to interested to buy Celcon, I would suggesting you wait for the pullback, and you need to adjust your stop loss level slightly higher. Okay, and the target given will be 3.5 and 3.2. This one is pretty much a short-term tradings. Yep. So another one will be Pan Malaysia Holding. So Pan Malaysia Holdings, this one obviously is also pretty much very short-term play. Overnight closing at 19 cents. Stop loss level given is 1.6. Pretty much more than 2 cents. More than, I think it's around 13%. Stop loss level seems to be too high. You need to adjust it slightly higher for the stop loss, or you entry slightly lower. Okay. And target given will be 21 and 22 cents. I would say CGS stock pick seems not to be in my style. Okay, it's not my trading style. I mean, it's not my favorite trading style, but their stock pick is still valid. I would say maybe for Celcon. Pan Malaysia, I don't really like it. Anyhow, still okay lah. So their trading style, you need to find something that strategy. I mean, you need to find a trading plan that suit to your trading style. It's not all the trading plan you can blindly follow one. So you need to find something suitable to you. So another stock pick by the research house of M-Bank, yes. So would be Press Metal. Press Metal. So overnight closing at 532. So you can see the past 2 weeks there's a spike over there. 2 days spiking is pretty much fierce. First day up by 7%, next day up by 3%. So by 2 days up by 10%. So a healthy pulling back for 3 days, then it's spiking higher again. So the stop loss level given would be 478. Wow, this seems to be too large to me. I mean, how many percent? It's more than 10%. Estimate would be about 12 to 13%. Stop loss level seems to be unacceptable to me. And if you're interested to buying in for this, I was suggesting patiently wait for the pullback. Patiently wait for the pullback. Somewhere nearly about close to 505 or 503, 5 ringgit to 505 level would be more acceptable to me. I mean, you need to find your own trading style. So, and then the target given will be 570 and 60 cents. I will share the chartings, all this charting in the channels. Later on, you can get it right over there. So the next stock pick by the Maybank Investment Bank Stock Research House will be IHH Healthcare. So overnight closing 610. There is no obvious rebounding or breakout at this moment. Maybe there is a sign of trend changing only based on the moving average and the price chart formations. And the stop loss level given is 588 acceptable. Stop loss target given will be 638, 675. Pretty much a standard of the stop loss and target given. So the next stock pick would be Timecom. So overnight closing at 520. The price action, there's a swing, but it's not so obvious. I would say it's not a kind of it's not really a valid swing play right over there. Maybe they are calling for this one purely based on some other indicators, RSI, MACD, something like that. So, and the stop loss level given is 4.5, target is 545, 580. Okay, so the next research house will be by UOB, which is YLI. YLI holding. So there's a swing. Obviously, there's a swing. Overnight closing at 43 cents with 1.2 million share traded. Stop loss level given is 3.5. Pretty much near to 11%. I would say stop loss level. So far so good, but I was suggesting adjust higher for the stop loss or wait for the pullback. So the target given would be 48 cents and 52 cents, which is right over here. So the next stock would be Caribbean Petroleum stocks. Overnight closing, there's a swing. Okay, obviously there's a swing. Let me refresh it. There's a swing for the past 2 days right over there, closing at 8.9. So the stop loss level given is 84 cents. Target is 102, and next target will be 109. Okay, so this one is a swing play with a volume coming in. So the last stock covered by today will be YSP. This one overnight closing 244. So the stop loss level even would be 237. Target is 259, 279. This one is purely I think their buy call is based on some indicators or their bounce off or the support levels. Not my favorite style. Anyhow, I will share the charting in the channels, Telegram and WhatsApp channel. You can find the link at the description. And then if you're interested to open an account, you can check in the description for the videos to guide you through to open an account with Maybank Investment Bank, which is reliable platform provided by Maybank, one of the largest assets banking in Malaysia. So 如果你有兴趣开户口的话，可以在下面呢找到我的连接视频，教你怎样去开启户口，在 Maybank 的网站开户口了啊。所以Maybank 是全马最大的 assets 公银行啦，在马来西亚，所以是 platform 是 OK 的。I believe that's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye. Happy trading.